Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this wood splitting axe from THRWCLUB is an absolute beast. First of all, it looks so impressive. It has this huge axe head on it, but it is not all looks. It's extremely solid and heavy. There is no piece of wood that this axe cannot handle. My husband and I love having campfires in our fire pit, but sometimes we need to split up that wood. And let me tell you that this axe makes super quick work of it. The handle looks so beautiful. It has this high level of craftsmanship, but it's also really easy to hold on to. This axe is so powerful that I wouldn't dare try to use it myself, but my husband loved using it. He said splitting wood with this axe is so satisfying, and it's a great activity to do to just relieve tension from work or whatever throughout your day. It comes with a beautiful protective sheath on it too, so you can have that on there just to make sure that you don't have any accidents. If you're in the middle of a project where you have to take down trees, or you just like splitting up wood as a hobby, this THRWCLUB axe is definitely the way to go. But that's just my point of view.